It's been a minute since you've been on Coco de Melon.
Gracious.
On Coco
De Melon.
Your mom, she smells like a melon. Your dad, she left you for milk.
Will my deodorant stick hold up this phone? It will not.
Not.
Whatever Kai ultimately decides to do.
Jump scare.
Guys,
I'm black.
please, please.
Grab.
Who let the dogs out?
Woo. Are you saying that because I'm black?
What? You know you're my sister. Like, you know Jack's films?
Oh.
Yeah, you know how he's like, yesterday, I asked you.
Yesterday, I asked you. It's two awkward people on a channel.
Harmony needs to be right here.
Right.
There's like...
And then it's just Harmony just gonna stand there just going like, insert Harmony.
Yeah. I feel like I'm inconvenienced. Inconvenient? Yo, Harmony, come over. I'm actually Jesse Pinkman.
Guys, I don't know who that is. This weird picture of Scraps, guys. This is who you watch. Hi, guys, I'm Scraps. This is me, guys. This is a photo that was taken of me.
Yeah. We need to give him a new name, because it used to be Henry, and it has to be something else.
Dude, it's... no.
What?
It's gonna say Bartholomew.
Oh, that's another name we call it.
Teddy the First. Teddy Jr.
Hello,
I'm Teddy Jr. Hey guys, welcome to British News, and we're gonna be telling you about Teddy Jr. We're gonna have an interview with him right now. Hi, I'm Teddy Jr. Hi. Cut the cameras. Why did I imagine Something in the Way just start playing? Play the guitar a little faster.
Listen, your vocals are a bit pitchy, okay? So that's on you. Teddy. That's why your father died. Teddy?
That's me. I'm baldy. I'm bald. Can you tell these guys are identical?
Spot the difference.
2 emos in one phone. Scrap. So why do you literally look emo like?
I'm wearing a Jesus shirt. Today we're gonna be killing Kai. Trigger warning, I'm about to literally
Slit my
murder her. She died.
I'm a ghost now.
I'm saying go away.
What? No!
What? No!
Go away, Tate.
You're all I want! I'm not gonna scream. I prepare for the noble war. Everyone is about to die.
Boom! Oh!
You made it. Tastes like a sugar cookie.